Hello, in this video I want to show you how to lock or unlock control panel in Haier refrigerator. And to do this, if your control panel doesn't light up like I have right here, then you just need to press on lock once and you will see the lock icon above a lock right there. You can click and hold it for around 5 seconds and this should unlock the control panel. Now we can adjust the temperatures for each of the options. And now if you want to lock it, click and hold your finger onto the lock again. And when there's a lock icon, that means your control panel is locked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.